Hey guys, so update, we're getting there. We made that secondary hole, and we're going to connect the two. Like I said, we need to only be 10 centimeters in, and at the longest, at the part that comes over, we're at like 11.5. So let me see what we'll measure it. It's this part right here. Yeah, 11, about 11.5. So we're good. We have a centimeter and a half, and it's fine. We just need 10 for the bracket. That's it. So, and even we don't need the whole 10. We just need enough so the bracket can hold up under there. So 9 is even good, but we're going to stick with the 11. So I'm not going to go past this line. I just made forgive my piece of hair here, a secondary line here and closer in, because this is we have more leeway on this side. So I'm just taking this line that veered over this way and moving it back over here. And then I'm just gonna cut that. This part is okay. It's right around here when it starts going a little bit too much. That space right there, it needs to come in at least half of that. So yeah, but we're good. We're figuring it out. So yeah, ghetto construction, getting help even through tough obstacles, and especially today. See how straight this one is? I'm so proud of myself. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shit happens. Shit happens. That's why God invented wood putty and paint. Love y'all. Toodles. Bye, bitches.